Hi there, Tony and Bonus here with Starline Windows. Today I'd like to give you a quick little demonstration of how to properly install your casement style screen that works on Roto operating hardware. Now this example would actually work for both your casement operating windows or your awnings, whether it's a top awning or a bottom awning casement style window series. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to know is all casement screens come with compressible tabs on one side. And it's usually on the longest side. So this is a 5 foot tall operating casement style window. So you're going to have two compressible screen tabs, one on the top, one on the bottom. The other side are just fixed ones. So what you want to always do is put your compressible screen tab side in first, and then you just basically squeeze it towards the frame, and then voila, it's in. So let me show you how that's done. You just want to get that into the opening. Every screen is made to fit each window that we make. So you want to put that in there. And now what you're going to do is you're going to compress. If you can see that, you can see how it compresses. You want to compress that screen over as far as it'll go, push it in towards the frame, voila, it's in. Now, it's basically, to take it out, you're doing the same thing, just reverse. Now you're going to grab the top and the bottom, compress it all the way over, and you got your screen out. So yeah, let's get that back in for you. Let's put that screen in, center it in that opening. I always like to put the top in of it first, and it'll follow the little groove in the window. Again, compress it, over, and done. And that's how you properly install a casement style screen in your Roto operating hardware window. For any more frequently asked questions, how-to videos, check us out on our YouTube channel, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and we look forward to hearing from you, and hopefully this was very helpful.